Welcome back, you guys, to another Pete and Pedro hairstyle tutorial video. This time, it looks like I'm about to deliver the news to you, but that is not the case. I am going through the decades, starting with the 50s to the 90s and trying out different hairstyles with my singular haircut. Will it work for my haircut? Will it not? I don't know. Let's check it out. We are starting now with the 1950s, so I got my hair wet. For this look, I'm thinking like John Travolta, James Dean, kind of greaser, slick back, super sleek kind of ducktail look. I'm gonna start off with our pomade. So this stuff has high hold, high shine. I'm gonna run it through with my hands and then work it into my hair. So now that I got this worked in, I'm gonna grab our Pete and Pedro. This is like our classic comb. This is great for this look. Really, it keeps the hair together without breaking it and just kind of slick it back like this. For this cut, I really want that hard like side part. So I'm gonna put that in right there. Okay, now that we got the slicked back side part, I'm gonna grab the hair dryer. Use this, it's gonna give me a bunch of extra lift for the cut. I'm honestly not hating how this turned out. I'm gonna add a little bit more pomade to it, just to give it some extra shine and hold and like a little bit more lift. There we go. Okay, perfect. I think that works. I actually am liking that. All right, let's go on to the 60s. Okay, for the next haircut, I'm going 60s. So this is gonna be more of like the Beatles kind of bowl cut, flat. It's like the mod cut, modern day mod cut as well. All I'm gonna take with this is some sea salt spray. So I'm starting with my hair super flat, take some sea salt spray. A few sprays that into there. This is cause like I want it to be flat, but I also still want some texture to it. And then just with my hands, I'm working it down. Next, I'm gonna take our 9-row comb, and this is just gonna really emphasize the flatness of this haircut. Just working it all flat, all the way down. Okay, it looks like I got like a coconut on my head right now. Next step in this, I'm gonna blow dry it up so it gets a little bit more push right here. I'm gonna be taking the blow dryer, just kind of combing it up like this so I can get a little bit more volume in the front. Okay, final verdict. I'm not sure how I feel about this. It's definitely annoying to have in my eyes, but I think it kind of works. It's just really flat, almost like a bowl cut, but I actually don't mind it. I think it's like, it's not a horrible look. I could wear this on a, maybe not a daily basis, but every now and then. All right, let's go to the 70s. Okay, now for 70s, I'm gonna go with kind of the Mark Hamill, Luke Skywalker, kind of side swoop, a little bit longer, similar to the 60s cut, but more to the side than I had it before. Again, start off with our sea salt spray just to give it extra texture, a little bit more, something to work with than just flat hair. Work that in. Now I'm gonna take our comb again, just brush to the side. Now that it's mostly to the side, I got the side part here. I'm gonna grab our hair cream. So this stuff is gonna give me just like a little bit of hold, but nothing too crazy. It also is gonna hydrate my hair, which is nice. Just rub that through the hands. Just apply that in. Okay, there you guys have it. This is the 1970s kind of Luke Skywalker, New Hope look. All right, let's go ahead to the 80s. Okay, for this 80s style, we're going Wall Street all day long. Slick back, starting with some pomade. Just gonna put that in my hair, slick it all the way back. Just grab like a dime size amount of that. Run it through, high shine, high hold. I want it to look like I have a bunch of product in my hair for this look. All the way greased back. Okay, now I'm taking our comb, just gonna literally just pull the hair all the way back like this. Okay. There you guys have it. This one is the 1980s slicked back Wall Street look. All right, let's go to the 90s. Okay, 90s curtain bangs. It's time. Let's go for it. I'm gonna slick all my hair back, kind of like it was before, and then get that hard middle part right here. Okay, cool. I think we're good. 90s curtain bangs. There we go. I'm just kidding, you guys. We're gonna fix this up. This, I don't know what you would call it. Grab some salt. Gonna put it in my hair. This is gonna really give that wave for the look, and then kind of crunch it up a little bit. Still want that structure that I had before, but not as straight parted down like it was. All right, let's grab the blow dryer. Kind of blow dry this into place. Now that kind of messed up like the general structure of it, but I'm going to grab putty, high hold, low shine, just kind of for that natural look. Grab a little bit of that, work it into my hair. And this is gonna really set kind of the middle part into place. And there we go. That is the 90s middle part. If you want to put a little bit more salt in there, add a little bit extra texture. But other than that, I think that's set. Okay, that has been me trying different hairstyles from the 50s to the 90s. If we learned anything today, it's that my hair hates to cooperate and that salt can be used in about any type of hairstyle. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see a part 2, let me know down below in the comments. I can do another hairstyle video from 2000s, 2020s, bunch of different styles I can try with that. Until next time, thank you guys for watching. Pete and Pedro, we'll catch you later.